Hi there guys, I don't know if you're familiar with the Firebird targets. Our local shooting shop sells them. Over Christmas, Boxing Day actually, Tom went out with Teddy Edwards and my friend Matt and shot some clay pigeons, and they tried these out. What they found was, unfortunately, is that they're designed so you stick them like that on the bottom of the clay pigeon. And you would think if you shot the clay pigeon with a shotgun, wherever you shot it, it would just go bang. But it doesn't. You have to have the sort of clay facing you that way from the bottom. So if you haven't got that, then obviously it doesn't work. Now, given that they've just got a fairly basic trap, unless they're actually straight in front of you when they fire them at you, it's quite difficult to get it to sort of give you that sort of viewing shot. So consequently, they decided to just shoot them off the ground, to be honest, have a bit of a laugh. But I was sent this footage anyway from Boxing Day, so I thought I'd sort of lash something together, and you know, I hope you enjoy it.
The clay, as it flies across, track it, and you want to be shooting a little bit in front of it. Don't put your finger anywhere near the trigger until you're actually about to pull it. Okay. So yeah, keep it out of the trigger guard until you're literally going to pull the trigger. I.e., we've loaded it, you're up, you're ready. Trigger. Then you put your trigger in the guards. Don't touch the trigger yet. Say pull. It'll come out, track in, and then just squeeze the trigger. Just apply more pressure, curl it around it. If you see what I mean. Okay. When you're ready to say pull, you can just touch it. But you know, you get a feel for how sensitive the trigger is, how much you need to pull it. So right, yeah, got one in. Good second. I'll rock it back a bit. Yeah, so you've got one in there now. So right, okay.
Oh!
Yes! That's it. Don't shoot them all either.
Oh, right. We've got one. Okay.
Yeah.
Red dot?
Yeah.
Yeah, get it.
What if they're all actually blown up?
They've got to, haven't they?
Yeah, I would have thought so. Shall I try and do some rapid fire or something?
If you want to.
Ah, yes.
Got any more? You haven't done the box on the right, have you?